Welcome to our Microsoft Mesh demo room tour through MetaQuest, giving you an insight into how your own company's virtual room can look, along with explaining why you should be making the move to work in an immersive space. Here we have the auditorium, complete with multiple round tables for teams to surround and discuss in smaller meetings, along with a large screen and sofa area, perfect for company presentations. Moving along now to our presentation slides to give you more insight into immersive spaces. We've conducted extensive research using the Deloitte Global Human Capital Report, Gallup's State of the Workplace Report, Microsoft's Work Lab and Work Trends, and PwC and Munster University's extensive research on the impacts of immersive meetings. Framing those findings is Microsoft's performance equation, where future enterprise performance is going to be driven by two factors: employee engagement and employee productivity. Enterprises will have to get those two areas right to drive shareholder value. If you look at the Gallup State of the Workplace report, the problem is that global employee engagement has only increased to a mere 23%. The UK is worse than this at only 10%. What matters for enterprises is that a 1% increase in employee engagement has, from research, been found to deliver an increase per employee of £46,511 in company market value. Moving the needle on employee engagement is a top priority for enterprise businesses today. Munster University in Germany and PwC have conducted extensive research on the impact of immersive meetings versus traditional Teams or Zoom meetings. Their findings show significant gains in the following areas: a 58% increase in the sense of closeness to colleagues, which is the number one driver of employee engagement. Essentially, the closer you are to your colleagues, the more you want to achieve with them. Other findings include a 32% increase in problem-solving effectiveness, a 19% increase in quick reaction times leading to corporate agility, and a 16% increase in communication effectiveness. Many are not aware of Microsoft's strengthening relationship with Meta, which started in October 2022 with their partnership on immersive technology. In turn, this led to Microsoft's Mesh immersive environment application being embedded into the MetaQuest XR headsets, which is what you're currently seeing. Fast forward, and Meta now hosts its software on Microsoft Azure, including Meta's own Llama open source AI. The developments with immersive technology in both hardware and software with MetaQuest and Microsoft Mesh mean that we can drive massive human outcomes that will change the future of mankind. At the very center, we can introduce teleporting instead of commuting, the impact of which is significant. Firstly, hybrid workers or remote workers need no longer commute to the office, but can simply teleport into any meeting or office with the press of a few buttons. Secondly, the carbon impact of that drastic drop in commuting benefits the planet and the well-being of employees. Thirdly, those employees can exchange commuting time for time to improve their well-being, such as through sporting activities or family time, which have been proven time and time again to drive productivity. Finally, Microsoft Mesh and the MetaQuest devices can be combined to transform the meetings of tomorrow, be it town halls, coffee rooms, project meetings, employee recruitment induction, or training. Both Meta and Microsoft have accelerated enterprise adoption with huge strides since July this year. Microsoft re-engineered Microsoft Mesh to use the Teams communication infrastructure, meaning that corporate firewalls do not have to be adjusted to use Microsoft Mesh. In July 2024, Microsoft incorporated their OpenAI into Microsoft Mesh, and on the 4th of September, Microsoft extended the multi-room capacity from 200 to 330 attendees. Meta announced the new MetaQuest 3S device at their MetaConnect event on September 25th, 2024, with the launch date being October 15th at the low price of £289.99, making scalable adoption cheaper and easier. In October 2024, Microsoft are adding guest facilities to Microsoft Mesh, meaning that you can join from any domain, and the following month in November 2024 are adding whiteboarding collaboration to Microsoft Mesh. With this opportunity given to us by these emerging technologies, we have launched the Meta and Microsoft bundles. The bundles have three levels, with MetaQuest and Microsoft Mesh rooms in each bundle. All bundle levels come with 1 year of Meta for Business, which enables you to manage multiple devices and device policy. The Bronze bundle features 3 MetaQuest 3S devices and your own custom auditorium in Microsoft Mesh with your logo and corporate colorways incorporated. The Silver bundle includes 5 MetaQuest 3S devices, your corporate branded auditorium for corporate presentations, and 2 additional rooms in Microsoft Mesh. The Gold bundle includes 5 MetaQuest 3S devices, your branded auditorium, and 5 additional Microsoft Mesh rooms bespoke for your needs. With the immersive experiences, seeing is believing, and so we are allowing you the ability to try a MetaQuest device delivered to your premises and access to one of our auditoriums in a 45-minute Q&A session. The offer on both Microsoft Mesh and MetaQuest devices purchased in any of the 3 bundles during Q4 of 2024 is that you get to keep your demo MetaQuest device. And that concludes our Microsoft Mesh demo room tour. We hope you got some value out of seeing and hearing about these advancements in technology for the workplace, which should allow you to make an informed decision about where to take your business in the near future.